So here we are at jamesnelsondentistry.com, and in this video I want to show you how to log into the admin area and how to go ahead and change some content on one of the pages. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down over here, and I'm going to come over here and click on admin. Go ahead and enter my username and password. Now, I can tell it to remember me if this is a private computer, which it is, and I want to stay logged in, so I'm going to tell it to remember me. If it was a public computer, you wouldn't want to do that. That way, when you close out of your browser, it'll automatically log you out if you forget to log out. So here we are in the dashboard, and now I'm going to come over down to Pages. Click on here. It's going to show me about 20 pages in the system at a time. And I'm looking for our staff, so I'm going to come over here to the next page. Scroll down, and here we are, our staff. I'm going to click on this. And now you'll see here, we're in the what's known as the visual page builder here. As I hover over it, I get these little descriptions, what we have here, text block here, and an image here. And then I get some selections over here as well. This selection is to delete, this selection is to clone, and this selection is to edit. And this is to actually grab this and move this around to other areas of the pages, because you can just drag and drop it around to rearrange. Just to show you here, I could drag and drop the name and title above the image if I wanted to, or just drag and drop it right down below the image. So, but what do I want to do when I want to edit a text block? Like right here, we have just to be announced. We want to edit that text block. So what do? We come over here now. These three buttons, if I were to click clone, let me just describe what clone does because it's kind of an odd button. It just creates an exact duplicate with all of the content in this directly below this right here. So if you needed another text box down here, you could just click clone, come in here, erase all that content, and then go ahead and delete. You can also come up here to add any of the widgets that are in here over here to the page. Very, very simple to do. So, but what I just want to show you how to do here is to go ahead and edit this and change the image over here so we can edit this page. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that because I don't need it. So I clicked on the delete buttons. It's gone. I got rid of the one that I cloned. So here's the one that I want to edit. I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring me over here. And I'm just going to change this, for an example, to be announced. And click Save Changes. Come up and click Update. Okay, now let's go take a look at the outside here. And you'll see now down here, so we scroll a little bit further down, now we've changed TBA to be announced right here. So, okay, excellent. Now what do we do about the picture? Okay, very, very easy to change the picture. All we have to do is come down here, click on Edit, and the only thing we need to do, come over here, and we can either go to the media library, or we could go to Upload Files and go anywhere and select a file from our computer. And then once we've uploaded it, it's going to go ahead and select. I'm just going to use Brittany's photo here real quick as an example. Then we would click Set Image. Now, over here it says, what do you want for the image size? And the only thing that you're going to need to do is change this over here and just put large right there. So it'll put in a full-size image is all you're going to need to do. And then for alignment, you'll want to align it to the center. So image size is large, alignment to the center, and you've selected your image. Save the changes, update. And now, once the page updates, go ahead and refresh the page here. And now we see we've got a picture of Brittany directly below Brittany. So let's go ahead and remove that, obviously. So I'm going to come back down here, right over here, and I'm going to just click X and then click Save Changes. And then click Update. And now the system will automatically go ahead and put what's known as a little placeholder image in there until we actually have an image to go ahead and get placed there. So, excellent. All right. So I'm going to come back over here and change the To Be Announced back to TBA. So I just click on the Edit, and I just edit my text. Got all my visual editor buttons and tools right up here that I can use, just like in the regular WordPress editor. And once we update the page, and we refresh. And now we have TVA back. So, all right, so that is how you log in and edit pages with the Visual Composer. If you have any other questions, just let us know.